What's up everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you my 20 favorite cinematic LUTs for free that you can use in your next project. These LUTs are completely free. You can get the download link in the description below. These LUTs are in format of .cube. It means you can use it in every video editing software, even if you are using mobile video editor. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see how you can use these cinematic LUTs in different softwares. You can support my work on Patreon. Even your single penny appreciate me a lot for making more amazing free packs. Patreon link in the description below, must check it out. So once you download these LUTs, it just look like this. These are in format of .cube extension. It means you can use these LUTs in every video editing software, even if you are using mobile video editor. So now let's see how you can use these LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, we need to copy all of these LUTs. And here we have Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use any version, it doesn't matter. So right click and go to file location. Basically we need to come here where we install Adobe Premiere Pro. Now we need to go to Lumetri and now go to LUTs, and here we have a creative. Just paste all of your LUTs right here. Now open up your Adobe Premiere Pro. If your Premiere Pro is already open while you are copy and pasting these LUTs, make sure you restart your Adobe Premiere. Alright, so here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. I already have a footage over here. So the first thing we need to do is go to Windows, go to Lumetri colors, and here we have a basic and a creative option over here. My recommendation is all around, please use adjustment layer because it will help you a lot if you are going to change something later. So I'm just going and creating an adjustment layer, drag and drop it about to our footage like so. So we can see a before and after. Just select your adjustment layer, go to creative, and here we have all the 20 LUTs that we are exported. Now let's apply one of it. I like this one. So as you can see, actually give us a better look. So here is the before and here is the after. You can see the clearly difference between before and after. So one thing I want to mention here, every LUTs is not compatible or not looking good for every footage. You need to make some basic changings with the LUTs and your footage will be look really good. As you can see, it actually fit to my footage. So let's make some basic changing. So here in a basic correction, you can actually make some changings that you can actually like. You can also play with these curves to make it more better. And there we go. Here is the final result that I get after that. As you can see, it looks really clean. These LUTs are completely free. You can get the download link in the description below, must check it out. So here we are right inside of Wondershare Filmora. Now let's see how we can use these LUTs in Filmora. So firstly, I need to create an adjustment layer. You can also directly apply your LUTs to your main footage, but it's not a good way and not a good idea because if you want to change something later, it will be more difficult, right? So select your adjustment layer, double click, go to colors, and here we have some pre-made preset over here, but we are going to load some new one. For that, simply go to all preset, load 3D LUTs. Now select any LUTs that you want to use. So I just simply pick any random one, and here we go. Here we have our LUTs that we are exported over here. So here is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference between it, and as I said, the every LUTs is not perfect for your footage. You need to make some basic changings and your LUTs will be okay. Here we have basic settings as well. So let's make some basic settings to make it better. Yeah, perfect. I just do a basic correction, and here is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference between before and after. So if you still not know about Wondershare Filmora, so let me tell you, Wondershare Filmora is one of the best software for you if you are a beginner or you just start up your video editing career. We have multiple options over here that save you a ton of time as a beginner. We have stock media, audio, title, transitions, effects, stickers and templates over here. All of these are pre-made. You don't need to create your own one. done. You just need to drag and drop, get a Filmora, and you can just apply anything that you actually want. So here in a transition, we have a lot of transitions that you can actually use in your project and make your videos look stunning. You can try Filmora for free, link in the description below. So I really recommend you go ahead and check it out for free. So yeah, that's all about this video. I hope you like this cinematic LUTs pack. If you like this pack, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any question about this pack, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.